If you've ever wanted your emails to show up instantly in your favorite Telegram chat or group, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a fast and reliable way to automatically forward your emails, like those important notifications, alerts, or updates, right into Telegram using a simple tool called Zapier. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless email to Telegram workflow set up, saving you time and letting you stay up to date even when you're on the go. All right, let's dive in. First, we'll start by heading over to Zapier.com. Zapier is an automation platform that lets you connect apps and services, kind of like a universal remote for all the tools you use. If you don't already have a Zapier account, it only takes a moment to sign up, and they do offer a free tier that's perfect for this sort of thing. Once you're in, look for the Create button. This is your entry point to building new automations known as Zaps. After clicking Create, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to design your automation. Find the section labeled Zaps and select it. Zapier has a helpful Copilot search bar at the top, and this is where the magic happens. Type in Gmail to Telegram if you use Gmail or Outlook to Telegram if you use Outlook. What this does is tell Zapier you want incoming emails to trigger messages being sent to Telegram. Typing this clearly helps Zapier's Copilot suggest a ready-to-use workflow, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Once you've typed it in, go ahead and press Enter. Now, Copilot will get to work creating the automation draft for you. It usually takes a few moments to set up, so don't worry if you see a loading spinner or progress bar. You might even see Copilot asking some follow-up questions to clarify exactly how you want your automation to behave, like which label or folder of emails you want monitored, or whether you want the message sent to a specific chat or group. Take your time here. Making sure these small choices fit your needs will ensure the automation works just the way you want. Now comes the crucial part, connecting your accounts. Zapier will ask you to sign in and authorize access to your Gmail or Outlook account. This step is necessary so Zapier can read your emails securely and only when you say so. You'll also need to connect your Telegram account. Usually, Zapier guides you through this by generating a Telegram bot for you or by providing you with instructions, so just follow along and pay attention to any prompts. If anything gets confusing, remember, you can pause and rewatch this section or drop your question in the comments. Once both Gmail or Outlook and Telegram accounts are connected, you'll see options to fine-tune your workflow. For example, you might want only emails with certain keywords from specific senders, or maybe only those that arrive during work hours. This is a great way to filter out the noise and forward just the useful stuff to Telegram, making your group or chat stay relevant and helpful. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish. That's it, the automation is now live. Any emails meeting your specified criteria will begin appearing in your chosen Telegram chat or group automatically. Just imagine alerts about calendar invites, order confirmations, or client emails all showing up in real time where you already check messages. And there you have it. Your emails are hopping over to Telegram pronto, keeping life just a bit more organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button, share your questions or setup stories in the comments, and subscribe for more practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.